After you fasten off something and leave a long tail, a pattern often tells you to weave in the ends. And that just means that you're going to hide any remaining yarn tails you have in the fabric that you just crocheted. So pick a yarn tail and thread a tapestry needle with it. So now you're going to stick the tapestry needle behind a bunch of those vertical V's that make up the last round before you got to this yarn tail. And I like to pull the needle through at least 4 stitches. So pull it nice and tight, not too tight that you distort the corner of your piece. And now you are going to actually put the needle back through the same spots, but you're going to skip this loop here. See how my yarn tail is coming out of this loop? I'm going to leave this loop alone, skip it, and then put my needle back under all of those other stitches that they just went through instead. And pull tight. Now I'm done weaving in the yarn tail, and I just need to cut the yarn tail as close as possible to the piece. Wiggle it around if the yarn tail end is kind of visible still. And now this side of my piece should be nice and secure. To completely weave in all of the ends, I need to do that to every single yarn tail that my piece has.